Thula bandle. Mpoka Kava, we are back with another one. Now, welcome to Mosaic Music, the platform where we react to Zion Music. We criticize, we laugh, we joke, we tease, but at the end of the day, we still react to Zion Music. Guys, no a big thank you. As a happy. I, as I'm recording this, it's on any page, double check quick before I shoot. It's it's 10 minutes past 9 in the morning, and as I'm recording this, I am currently sitting on 43 subscribers. 43. Yeah. And that jump that happened from 30 to 43 subscribers, I didn't even post anything. Those are just guys, thank you so much. Yeah. And the views are viewing. Hey guys, please don't forget to also like my videos. Guys, the more you like my videos, the more the videos get around. You can view it sharp, but when you hit that like button, the videos get around. Other people will get recommended too. I understand. It will become the one izoba lineage yodwa. So the more you guys like the videos, the better they can get around. So if you are looking to give me recommendation, simple. You can follow me on TikTok. Igama HK Jupiter, or just search for Street Jupiter on TikTok. If you wanna give me a recommendation, because the suggestion that I got yesterday, the person told me got me straight from TikTok, and they said no, they don't want to comment wara wara wara, but yeah, and then they told me which song to react to. So apparently, Aziz in Atezes ATEZS National ungigcine miliwam. Yeah. So this video was shot last year. So that was you guys time. Yeah. Woo! Let's dive right into it. I I I'm an anxious man. I don't know no more. And I'm lying. Okay. As they said, fast. Who put this together? Why not artist hlanganise? Because I don't know if Labant Inkonzo or if Inkonzo, because there's so much. Kuna youth buy Angela. It's just kids. Like you see, it's kids, some my age, some younger, maybe slightly older. Number one, in the beginning, kunale part ngathi i-alto iyayathula and then enye yajoyina. That is one trick that messes up a lot of people. That trick is yo. It's a uzungigcine meli wami. Uzungi, and then while they were singing, the others kept quiet, and then banging, and then goodbye, peace. Bass. This has to be one of the strongest bass I've heard in. You know what? I'm lying, but it is strong. This is crazy. And I'm doing last social first part. Ungwejengweje ungale move. Uyabengidala ngisho short girls. And singing. Hey, hi man. Yarr. I don't have words today. I'm now. I'm flabbergasted. I'm yo. Hey, hey, hey. I'm ay 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 eh, ay ay. Been waiting for this opportunity. I've been waiting to say something like this for a long time. But the day I see someone oyenzayo so Mosontezayon who's photo boy. Ungana gold tooth. You are not the real photo boy. I see Valen fan. In fact, shots fired. Ale. Nami mhlazana vele zayo mele ngiyohloma ikindaba yami. You can't be a photo boy. Ungana gold. Ungana silver. Ungana platinum. Photo circle is not giving the right vibes. Mele mauti. There's a reason why. There's a reason why I'm about Mele. Oh. As in, like a time to thought. Now again, I'll tell me, polish we fight. uyifakile yazo awudlalanga nayo ntwana uyiplaystation vele wayithatha asini azabantu basayoni banami what did I say? You can't be a photo point ungana gold tooth. It does not make sense. You need to have a gold tooth. So bafana basasayoni sambeni sofaka ama gold. Listen, I can't do that. I can't be a Zayoni, have tattoos and gold teeth at the same no. Let's go and have I'm a gold tooth. We need I'm a gold tooth. So that is future sense so was premium. So was golden. So was silver. So it's it like more silver is photo soko is silver lining. One gold it's a golden lining. My premium, my money platinum is premium. And mofake isilver gold or platinum go on most photo ubaphambi. We lead a boy because shine. I keep telling you, umuntu onegawundi uma phambili. Ngathi labafana labo boy-4 ngathi nje boy-4 abanegawundi so phambili. Phela puti. Wena le on your okay, my screen I think so by far left yeah. Wena on your far right abantu bayagwaba ukuphela home direction yakho phela manje. Like I said guys, ukwaba it's very important because manje ukwaba also bring that movement. Ukwaba kwakho can sometimes make people like most Zion there's different kinds of people, right? Ezayoni kunabaphiliswa iBhayibheli, kunabaphiliswa yizwi, kunabaphiliswa ukukhuleka, kunabaphiliswa ukukhulekela abantu, and then there's us ebaphiliswa i-worship, ukucula. And you need to understand ukuthi more khetha whatever category that you is ezayoni, you wanna make sure ukuthi uba nabo not off top. Not off top, yes. It's not off top, not top. Hey, top notch. I'm gwaba wala abantu baka left baka right baka left. I know, yes, no, what, never mind. Abayaphefumula. Yabona ukuba i-Twitter edit for a slow song Yeah, you use a lot of breath, man. Like when the song is slow, ne? And I need you guys to understand one thing about the only times gijima sasa where if mhlambe kushawa isikhalanga or amen. Njena nje mosha chorus, you don't need to run. Hey, yabona manje, sisimanzi manje nje. Hayi phela. But one thing about ukucula ingoma slow, yo, ayophefumula laphaya. Like yabona nje bathi you must understand ukuthi number one, the song is so slow. And I remember Guti is Futo drives the tempo of the song. And most people don't know that or don't notice that. They think Guti the pace of the singing. No, it's Futo that drives the pace of the song. So imagine if these guys were a bit quick and then go hamba the way hamba ngakho, it go by disaster. But back to what I was saying, Guti, this song is so slow. It's Futo Salasa Sebet. That's why you hear a lot of and boom. You used to it. It's just that now it's yo. Angagcina kudala bro. Kutheni ingoma slow. Yo. And ingoma slow isezimnandi. Because you get to enjoy the song. Yabo, that's why I'm a chorus amaningi quicker. Because it's always about the vibe. It's rare. They are there. There are many songs. But it's in these days it's a rare occasion ukuthi nibe the chorus ezoba this slow. Like this is slow. Slow jam. And angaphetha bobhuti ebafaka ama-gold, ama-silver, nama-platinum. Yeah. Okay. Ibheka yalana bafethu. I think Bekala is doing two jobs. She's both doing we first part aphinde abe back. She's doing a crazy job. And she's right in the middle. Ayekho phambili. She's in the middle. That for me balances the sound. No lies. The singing yalana is undeniable. Ulokugwaba nje walaba bhuti lapha nje, that just makes me go like, ish, mara. That's makugwaba, you need to be careful. Like you really need to look out. Because now you don't want to look like an idiot. No, listen. They can get mad. Get mad all you want, but you just being critical. Your singing is amazing. Fix your guabbing. Never. Out of touch. Ibhesi yalebandla basebenza overtime. Ngizocasha edwaleni and then I don't know what they say after that. Hey. Yo. That is creative, man. That is creative. That's why I can, you know what? When you're singing your own song, there's no right or wrong way. Yeah. However way you wanna spice it, spice it. Wow. ngizocasha edwaleni enguJesu. Ngizocasha edwaleni enguJesu. That is sick. Okay, I'm not sick, but maybe I am. I have flu, but that that is sick. Yo. And it looks like kids. It looks like kids. You know what? I'm finally happy now I can call other people kids. Yo, these kids can sing. I jealous down. I say good morning. I say good morning. I say into the these kids can sing. These kids can sing. What? No, thank you for the suggestion, for the recommendation. Uh, like for real, like wow. Sorry guys. Anyway, thank you for that recommendation. Yo, hey, hey, hey. I only figured Mbuya Gulo nje. I had one of the best reacting. I just had listen. Oh, the slung sasabalek. My English is depleting. It's still early in the morning, my guy. This past week, I have reacted to some of the best singing I've ever heard in my life and in my time. Hey, that's it. Wow. Oh. Hey, I, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Number one, I don't even know what to say. I'm just sad ukuthi I didn't get to see a leader. Mhlawumbe naye ufihlekile laphaya. I just did not see him. But i-first part ngimbonile that lady can sing. And whoever is coaching those kids, keep doing a great job. Listen, not everyone's gonna be impressed. Ukugwaba kwenu nje nami ngubheke ngithi lalelana nani. Yabona manigwaba guys. Follow one person. If this person utsajika sithi, listen, that's it. Well, niggas, no man is into yakhe. Because now it makes it seem yabona ukugwaba makungekho clean kuzoba ngathi yonke into beniyenza. It's not wonke umuntu uzothi hayi bona beba-right because why ukugwaba kukho in sync. Kuna ebagwaba slower than others, kunaba ebangagwabi on time. Kunaba who are using the wrong side at the wrong time. Kuna eba who are going in the wrong direction. So ukugwaba is so essential to a point ukuthi people remember ukugwaba kwenu more than the singing. I know I may sound like manje ayikho into. I'm being serious. I am being serious. You look at some of the big churches, so believers, River, Trust, Living. Once ukugwaba kwathi, yeah. You will like, there's one telele ngakwazi uku. To be honest with you. That's why bengithanda ukugwaba kasekhaya labangcwele. You have to landela umuntu oyi-one. If umuntu oyi-one wenza so, lokhu ukuthi wenzani and then follow it. Ngamna ukuthi nayi ngithanda ngale. Yeah, uzoyithanda ngaleyo ndlela uma uyi-one, but right now sisebantwini. Landelanani kahle ekugwabeni. Bafethu ukugwaba is important. It's important ukugwaba. Ukugwaba is as important as umuntu ocula on key. It's very important. And ngasikhathi labo sisi nalabafana ba-clean, like ba-clean labo sisi nalababhuti ba-clean. Clean abantu bashayana amakhatha fresh. Abo-sisters bayakhanya bathi bahle futhi. Black dindi nibahle. Yabona ama-voice wenu mnandi, beautiful, umculo wenu muhle, uniform, styling. I have never seen you that passionate. But I must understand ukuthi emakhwayeni amaningi right now in most churches, uh, it's mostly older people. It's rare ukuthola like kids, intanga zami, us. It's rare. It's there, but it's rare. I understand. And the discipline in nayo, it's amazing. No, amazing. Gotta give props to that. No, I gotta give props to that. But yo, that was sick, man. Guys, again, thank you guys for your support. I am still taken aback by the support that I'm getting. And my subscribers keep on growing, my views keep on growing. Let's not stop there, guys. Like, subscribe, share, comment. If you don't want to comment on the comment section, you can DM me on TikTok. Street Jupiter is my name across all social platforms. Go there, give me a recommendation, or you can just send me a link or send me a photo, a screenshot, and be like, this one. I understand. And according to you guys are also exposing me to more churches or to more Zion choirs. So guys, in the favorite words of the Jupiter, adios.